Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to update Instagram on Android. To do this, you just need to go to the Play Store and after that, click on the search icon on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go here and click write Instagram and search for the app, and as you can see you will find the app here. In the place of open, if your app is not up to date, you will find like a text written there, and on this text it tells you that you need to update, and or you will find update icon there instead of open. You just need to click on it, and like that you will update your Instagram app on Android. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.